Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, FIERS FEMME, and I am here today with my 2-strand twist. My hair was looking a little messy. I haven't been able to get back to my mom to get my retwist, so I did like a soft retwist, and I decided to try the double strand twist. My hair is still pretty short compared to other people who do the 2-strand twist. When your hair is shorter, it's not as cute when you do the 2-strand strands, but I wanted to see how my hair looks when it's curly when I reopen that. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that you can grow with me. Have a great day, everybody. Later. Oh, and enjoy the video. I don't think I retwisted for my 8th or 9th month. I just kept doing it in hairstyles. I don't know, it wasn't because I didn't want to, it was just because it looked like it didn't need to in my 8th month. And then in my 9th month, I was just really busy with a new at-home job, which is January, but I will be retwisting come February. So today is the 20. Okay, today's January 25th, so it's probably gonna be like 2 more weeks and then I'll retwist, but I wanted to try doing some double strand twists today, so I figured why not film it, right? So I got me some, hold on a second. So I got me some aloe water from Farmer's Market. It came in like a container. I'll find the picture and insert it. And they already made it into water, and I mixed that with some lemongrass essential oil. It smells so good, I can smell it through the bottle. And then I also have some rose water with alkaline water mix in this bottle that I'm gonna be using. And then the oil of choice today is my peppermint tea tree oil. I also have, where is it? Oh, some rubber bands. And yeah, so we're gonna get into it. I don't think I'm going to be talking very much in this video, as sometimes when you talk, your videos are entirely too long, unless you guys want that. I could do some talking videos, but yeah, my hair looks a little dry, but it's not. It has been saturated this morning. So I'm gonna spray it with the rose water and get it prepared. So yeah, I always wet my hair. I wet my hair in the morning. I wet my hair conveniently in the afternoon when I want. Anytime I feel like my hair's a little bit too dry, but now that it's winter, I try not to go outside. When my hair is just wet, because you don't want to get sick. So yeah, I'm just gonna saturate it because I don't like twisting on dry hair. Okay, and my hair's growing, guys. Like, it's getting really, really long. Like, sometimes I have to look back at pictures to remind myself how short it was, but yeah, it's growing. So now that it's a little saturated, I'm gonna just start, but I'm gonna put my hair into sections. I usually have like scrunchies, but I didn't bring them in my office and I don't feel like going for them. So I'm going to part my hair into some sections. So we got one section right here. Another section. do 2 sections in the back. I think I'm gonna start with down here. So I'm gonna start with the 2 strands over here and then just work my way up. And for that, I'll just squirt some of this and then spray some of the lemongrass. supplies. Okay guys, so this is my 2-strand twist. I'm gonna probably keep them in for 3 days and then I'll take them out on Thursday. No, I'll probably keep them in until Wednesday and then I'll take them out Wednesday, film, edit it, and get this up for you guys on Friday just to see what crimpiness I got from it. Sometimes I see people tuck their ends. I tuck my ends on my boyfriend's hair, but for me, I don't want to tuck my ends because I don't want them to. They still forming, and yeah, I don't want to deal with them. So now I'm just gonna pull it up in a style. Well, I'm going to fix my baby hair. So thank you for watching me do my 2-strand twist. Let me know if there's any other hairstyles you want to try. I'm waiting until I hit a year to do all my extension hairstyles. I don't want to mess up. Probably a year and a half, I'm not gonna lie, a year and 6 months until I do like extensions and different things if I want to do them then. But if you like this video, definitely give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Later.